Guys, if you're looking for how to get free Apple Music subscription on your iPhone, here's how to do it. Now let me show you that I haven't gotten any subscription on my Apple Music. It's still telling me to pay for it, but let me show you a fast and simple way for you to get it. The first thing you need to do is to get an MTN SIM. Once you get an MTN SIM, you go straight to your dialer. You just go straight to your dialer, then you dial this code *447*2*4#. Once you dial this code, you will see the first one, Apple Music 6 months free. Wait guys, before you click on this, you will have to know that after the 6 months you'll be charged 1,000 naira. But before the 6 months end, you can cancel the subscription, then redo it again. You click on one, then you click on proceed. Your request will be processed shortly. Then you go straight to your message. They would have sent you a message confirming you have successfully subscribed. Then you're going to click on the link down below. It will direct you straight to the Apple app showing you have successfully subscribed. You will see music that you can play now. Thanks guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.